What's this inside? It's windows for 3 homes. 1 home in the Bay Area and 2 projects for Shemss Homes in South Lake Tahoe. It's gonna be a little bit difficult today to unload this container. We don't have it right attachment. Those forks need to be longer. You can see the pallet has a sticker, job name, metal straps. I love the package, how it looks. Bonita. Man, whew, this is difficult. You see, make sure you have right equipment. Как же это правильно сделать? Нам надо эту жопу поднять. Yeah, guide me because I don't see it. The top one caused for us problem as well. Did you see it? I don't know how those guys load it. Did you see it? So what we gotta do? What we gotta do? Yep. Срочно съезди.
Куда?
За дизелем. Потом я тебе денежку дам. Возьми там канистру в гараже.
В гараже, окей.
2 канистры заполни. Вот здесь дизельная. Вот. Я даже переживаю, что я даже не вытяну. Тебя точно лоуд не сделаю. Ну чё? It's ready. It's chilly, but... Everybody, good job. It's a little bit difficult, but we did it. No excuses, guys, no excuses. It's take us 20-footer container for 3 homes of windows, about hour, with wrong equipment, but we never quit. This one is gonna be next one. I don't know, I hope it's gonna be weather better, no snow, because today in the morning I wake up and it's snow. By the way, today is the day, first day of snow. Congrats everybody, love and peace search. I love it, Dutchie! Woo!